Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can manually add a trip or record journey on QuickBooks Self-Employed. To add a trip or journey, we need to go to Miles section. From here, click on Add Trip. We are presented with blank trips or journeys card, which we need to fill in. Firstly, let's add a trip date, distance. If you know return distance, you can add it here. Otherwise, you can just put the distance between point A to point B. So in my case, I know distance between point A and B. Start typing starting point. So I have London. Add end point. I have Luton. And now I can select if this is a business or personal related trip. In my case, it is business related trip. And from drop down list, I can select what was the cause or reason or purpose for this business trip. In my case, it is meeting with clients, but you can choose from other free options like delivery drop-off, picking up goods, supplies, or ride-share driving. And also I can select from which vehicle I used for this meeting with client. In my case, I used car 2. And because I only know distance from point A to point B, I can also say that this is a round trip. And click Save. This will create two separate entries for journey. When we go to business and select a vehicle, car 2, there is two journeys. So starting in London, ending in Luton, and then starting in Luton and ending in London. It's why it's created two separate entries. So in this episode, I showed you how you can manually add a trip or record journey on QuickBooks Self-Employed. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.